Hi everyone. This is next in the series of image to diagnosis under general sonography, one of the gynec cases. Now, this is a 35-year-old woman presenting with menorrhagia for ultrasound. She has an alive child of 9 years, which was a normal delivery. Now, this is the sagittal scan of the pelvis. You see the bladder, uterus, and you see the fluid in vagina, and there is a septum, vaginal septum. So this case scenario is to illustrate the significance of knowledge of embryology and possibilities of abnormal development, the significance of angle of incidence, utility of gas in diagnosis, logical analysis to come to a diagnosis, importance of keeping an open mind, and having an imaginative approach to select an extended study. If you would like to see the workup of this case scenario, please log on to shownoshare.in, go to image to diagnosis under general sonography. This is the third in the series of gynecology. Thank you.